Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm bringing to you an oatmeal facial mask. This mask is very good for people with very oily skin. It treats acne, dark marks, suntan and age spots. It brightens up your complexion in general. When used often, you're gonna kiss your fine lines goodbye and welcome a younger, more youthful looking skin. It's gonna soak in all your skin and iron out all the wrinkles. So without wasting much time, let's get started. To start, you're gonna need some oatmeal, and here I'm gonna put 2 teaspoonfuls of oatmeal in a bowl. Then I'm gonna come in with about 2 teaspoonfuls of milk. Then I'm gonna use a half teaspoon of honey. I'm then gonna mix everything up to form a paste. Then, starting from clean face, I'm gonna put the paste on my face. I'm gonna exfoliate gently. Do not leave out your eye area and your under chin area. Afterwards, leave it on your face for about 20 minutes. Then, wash it off with lukewarm water. You do not need soap. It gives you that instant freshness. This mask is gonna suck out the excess oil on your face and hence preventing acne. Oats contains some nutrients which heals the skin. And it's gonna leave you with that dream skin that you've always wanted. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.